Hey everyone. Welcome back to Online Academy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for making money online. Today, we're diving into 7 super easy ways you can start earning money online with minimal effort. Yes, you heard that right, minimal effort. So, let's jump right in. Alright, let's kick things off with our first method, online surveys. Participating in surveys is one of the simplest ways to make some extra cash. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions, and they're willing to pay for them. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research offer a variety of surveys you can take. All you need is a few minutes here and there to start seeing rewards. 1. Online surveys, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Pinecone Research. Next up, let's talk about cashback and reward apps. If you love shopping online, this one's for you. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta give you cashback on your purchases or earn rewards points that you can redeem for gift cards. It's a fantastic way to save money on things you're already buying, no extra effort required. 2. Cashback apps, Rakuten, Ibotta. Our third method is selling unused items. Have old clothes, gadgets, or other items lying around. Turn them into cash with online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Just list your items, and you're all set. It's a simple way to declutter and make money at the same time. 3. Sell unused items, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark. Moving on to affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a decent following on social media, you can earn money by promoting products through affiliate links. Websites like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale make it easy to find products that match your niche. With every sale made through your referral, you earn a commission. It's a great way to monetize your content. 4. Affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates, Share a Sale. Another easy way to make money is through print-on-demand products. Services like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printful let you create and sell custom-designed products like t-shirts and mugs. You design the graphics, and they handle everything else, from printing to shipping. Once your designs are live, you can start earning passive income from every sale. 5. Print-on-demand, Teespring, Redbubble, Printful. Number 6 on our list is renting out your space. If you have a spare room or an entire property, consider listing it on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. It can be a great way to earn extra income, and with a bit of setup, it can become a low-maintenance source of cash flow. 6. Renting space online, Airbnb, Vrbo. Last but not least, let's talk about creating digital content. If you love making videos or writing, platforms like YouTube and Patreon offer ways to monetize your content. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, or viewer support. While it takes some time to build an audience, once you have one, it can be a great source of passive income. 7. Content creation, YouTube, Patreon. So there you have it, 7 easy-peasy ways to make money online without breaking a sweat. Which method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start making money online, don't wait, pick a method and dive in today. Remember, the key is to get started and keep exploring until you find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, of course, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.